Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google account all by yourself. How to create a Gmail account by yourself. Okay, so what you need to do is to just get to your browser. You can use any browser, both Chrome browser, Opera Mini browser, Safari, Phoenix browser, any browser at all. So when you get to your browser, you want to head over to the search tab and then search for create Google account. Okay, search for create Google account. After you have searched for create Google account, then it will pop up the search results. Okay, now you have to scroll down and see the sign in option. Okay, so click on the sign in option. So you can see the sign in, click on it. So when you click on it, it will take you here where you need to see the create account option. Just look around, you can see the blue create account option that is in your screen. So click on it and then you can see three options: to create for yourself, to create for your child, and to create for your business. So you can choose any one that you want. So for me, I will go with the create for my work or business. Okay, so the next step is to choose your first name, which is necessary. You need to put in your first name. After putting in your first name, you want to head over to your surname, which is optional. You can decide not to put your surname. Okay, so I'll put in my surname. After that, I'll click on the next button. So here I will put in my day of birth. Okay, just put in your day of birth. After that, you put your month of birth. Okay, then you put your year of birth. Alright, so the next step is to select your gender. Okay, so click on the gender option. So after you click on it, you're going to see the female, male, rather not to say, and customize. So choose anyone that you want. So I'll click on the male option. So I'll click on male. For this video, I'll click on male because I'm actually a male. So let me click on the male option. Okay, so after that, you want to click on the next button. So here you need to choose your Gmail address. Okay, but in default they will suggest Gmail address for you, but if you don't like the one that was suggested for you, you can click on create your own Gmail address to customize your own Gmail address. So I'll click on create your own Gmail address to customize my own, because I want a Gmail address that I won't forget. Okay, because of those numbers I might forget. So now I'm customizing my Gmail address. So after the customization, you click on the next button. So here you need to create a strong password for your Google address or for your email address. Just create a strong password. So now you need to confirm the password that you just input in the first place, and make sure the password has a uppercase, lowercase, and numerals. Okay, after that you want to click on show password to know if the password you input is actually looking alike. So you click on the next button. After confirming, you are going to click on the next button to head over to the next step. Okay, now you need to add your recovery email. The recovery email might be from your friends, your relations, but it should be people that you trust, because the recovery email is going to be the email that you're going to be using to recover your email address whenever you think you have forgotten your password, or that you have forgotten your email address in particular. So you can use the recovery email to recover them. So you can decide to skip. So in this video I just skipped because I don't use this email for anything. It's just for a video tutorial. So here you need to add a phone number to the account, which is very important if you want to be able to recover your account in future. So you can decide to skip, but I advise you add the phone number. Okay, so for me, I'll just click on the skip button, but for you, if it's for your business, don't skip. So now you got to review your account, see your email address, and tap on next. And then here you need to scroll down and then tap on I agree. Okay, so you wait for some seconds while this section is loading, and then here you can see the final step. It says your Google account is ready. Now set up your business and stuff like that. So that's it for today. That's just all. There's no I don't think there's anything really important here. So you can decide to set up some other things, both your profile picture from here. But that's all for today. That's where I'm ending for now. Drop your comment, like this video, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more important tips like this. Okay guys, peace out and bye bye for now.